Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining scope and collecting the minimal components you need to iterate fast. First, decide what tasks the assistant will reliably do and which channels it will serve. Next, pick a model, open source or hosted API, based on latency, cost, and control. Then gather example prompts with target outputs and simple evaluation metrics so you can measure progress. Once done, provision a dev environment and storage, and make sure to version configurations for repeatable experiments. Now construct the assistant's core: prompt templates, retrieval, and action hooks. Start by designing robust prompts with few-shot examples and explicit role instructions. This guides behavior. Implement retrieval-augmented generation for long-term knowledge and wire in tool calls or API actions for tasks like calendars or search. Decide whether to fine-tune a model or rely on RAG. Each affects latency and maintenance. During integration, run focus tests, log inputs and outputs, and iterate rapidly on failure cases so behavior becomes predictable. Finish by hardening, deploying, and validating the assistant in production. Containerize or use serverless hosting, add observability, rate limits, and staged rollouts to control risk. Implement automated test suites and a user feedback loop. Run a/b comparisons to validate improvements. Ensure safety with filters, role-based access, and clear rollback procedures. If things go wrong, check logs, reproduce the failing prompt locally, and isolate whether the issue is data, prompt, or model drift before.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.